Hello my dear students, Neeraj again with my next topic, algebraic methods of solving a pair of linear equations. Now earlier we have discussed the graphical method. Now I am going to describe the algebraic method of solving a pair of linear equation. There are three algebraic methods. Number one is the substitution method. And the second one is the elimination method, and third one is the cross multiplication. My exercise 3.3 is based on the substitution method only, so I am going to discuss the substitution method here. So to understand the substitution method more clearly, let us consider stepwise. I'm going to discuss the question number 1, the part 1, and the other parts 1 to 6 I'm doing in the notes also. It can help you. So the method I'm going to discuss in this video. Firstly, we will give the name to the equations number 1 and number 2. There will be two equations. X plus y equals to 14, number 1, x minus y equal to 4. Whatever the equations you are having, give the number 1 and number 2. That is the name of the equations. Now, to understand it very clearly, follow by these steps. First step, step 1. In the step 1, find the value of one variable. You can take any one of the equation. That first equation I am taking, x plus y equals to 14. Find the value of any variable. Any variable means that is convenient to take on the other side. I am taking y here. Take x on the other side, it will become 14 minus x. Give it the number 3. The value of y is equals to 14 minus x. This is my first step. And the step number 2. As I consider the equation number 1 for finding the variable y, so I will substitute that value y in the other equation. Means in equation number 2, I will put the value of y here, where the y is there in the equation. Now second equation implies x minus y is equals to 4. Now substitute the value. Substitute the value y in equation 2. The value of y according to 3 from 3 in equation 2. So my second equation is x minus y equals to 4. I will substitute that value in it. X minus value of y is 14 minus x. I will put in the bracket equals to 4. As you have seen, outside the bracket there is a negative sign, so it will change the signs inside the bracket. It will become minus 14, minus and minus, it will become plus, equals to 4. Now x plus x will be 2x. Take 14 on other side. 4 plus 14, 2x equals to 18. X equals to 18 by 2. When you cut it, you will get the value of x equals to 9. Implies the value of x equals to 9. Now from that value x equals to 9, now substitute that value in the equation number 3. Substitute x equals to 9 in 3, because I want to calculate y. So what was the equation number 3? Y is equals to 14 minus x. Put the value of x here. The value of x is 9. So when I subtract it, I'm getting 5. Value of y will be 5. So from this I can conclude that therefore the solution is x equals to 9 and y equals to 5. I'm going to discuss the steps briefly again. The first step, give the name to the equations, number 1, number 2. Then take any one of the equations. You can take 1 or you can take 2, and find the value of one variable, say y or x, in term of the other variable, or whichever is convenient. And in the second step, substitute the value of y or x that you have finding in the equation number 3, and reduce it to an equation of one variable and in term of x which can be solved. So that is the method. And in the third step, when you get the value of y or x, when you substitute the value of x, y here, you will get the value of x. When you substitute the value of x, you will get the value of y. So when you get the one value, put in the back equation, means in equation number 3. Always you will follow the same steps, and when you put the value in the y or in the x, you will get the alternative the value of alternative variables. Therefore these are the solution of x equals to 9 and y equal to 5, whatever the equations you are having. So this is the algebraic method, that is called the substitution method. All other parts I have solved in my notes also, but all other parts will be done by the same method. Thank you very much.